It's 10 a.m. Saturday morning. The snow is starting to fall. Nice pretty snow covering everything. It's beautiful. It's now 2 o'clock. Snow is still falling. Getting deep. It's supposed to snow for another all night and all day tomorrow. Woohoo! 3:45. Almost 7 hours. Still snowing. Coming down pretty hard now. 4:30. Still coming down. Coming down a little harder. Snow, snow, snow. Starting to get dark out. It's been 7 hours. Wind's picking up. Snow is coming down harder. Woohoo! Still coming. Windy. Saturday morning, 10:30. Still snowing, high winds. Power was out last night for a little while, about 3 hours. Back on for now. Saturday, 1:30. Still snowing and blowing. It's like about 14 inches maybe. 3 o'clock Saturday. Now blizzard conditions. Wind. Heavy snow. Woohoo! It's hard to see now. It's coming so fast. I'm talking to the camera. Hey, woohoo! Look at all that snow, wind, ice, and rain.